COVID must pay back tuberculosis. That's the word from the Health Minister, Dr. Joe Phaahla, as he delivered the closing remarks at the week-long TB conference in Durban. Phaahla said the number of people dying from TB is increasing.
Not long ago, it will be just about a month, a year, in a few weeks' time. In November last year, we were here. It was the SANAC plenary, and at that time, our scientists, who Prof. Hanekom was reflecting earlier on, Tulio, others in all those committees, had just announced to us that there's a new variant, and at that time it didn't even have a name, but it showed a lot of horns when they were showing it, the picture of the virus, a lot of horns all over, and they were saying that this virus has got the possibility of infecting people many more times than the previous ones, and they were not aware at the time how severe it would be. At the moment that was announced, I remember we were here with the Deputy President and we had to assure the country. In no time, I remember Dr. Lomo, remember when we left from here, there was just announcements all over that South Africans are not welcome anywhere in the world, starting in Europe, in the US, and we had to try that evening to try and explain, no, there is no such a, the scientists are saying there's a lot which we still don't know, but the clever people of Europe and other places were not going to listen to even their scientists. They just closed us out. Close the borders and everything. In a few weeks' time, we had to come back for a conference of International AIDS Conference in Africa called ICASA, and we were just thrown into turmoil because now how do we conduct the conference? And we were at the same venue, and we had to make very serious adjustments. So I think all that reflection is to say that we really have to appreciate what we have come through, and working together as the team was showing, government, civil society, our scientists, health professionals, leaders of traditional leaders, business. What has been enabled us today to be here, to be able to have this conference in this fashion, we should not underestimate the value of that working together. So I'm happy to see that the message which is coming forward is that we must use that experience, as much as it really derailed a lot of things, but we must use that experience to make sure that in tackling other challenges.
Well, Phaahla says despite these challenges, the country has made significant strides in the fight against TB and HIV/AIDS. He added it's important to change social behaviors